So I just got this interesting package in the mail from my good friend Charisse. It is a Doctor Who alarm clock. I thought, well, that's interesting. It's in this package. You can see a close-up here of the Doctor Who alarm clock. I thought, well, I wonder what it does. So let me show you what this thing does. When it goes off, it looks something like this, which is really going to be great when it's dark in my room and I've got this thing going off next to me. But wait till you hear what it sounds like. Stand by. Here it comes.
Exterminate! Exterminate!
So I'm really looking forward to waking up to this thing. If I'm late for work tomorrow, you know why. You've been zapped.